In this video, we are going to cover the sound ng. The sound ng is a combined voice consonant. It starts with the sound ng and ends with the sound g. Ng, 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 ng. ng, 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 ng. To create this sound, start on the N phoneme and bring the back of your tongue to meet the back of the top of your mouth. As you drop the back of your tongue, you create the sound g. Ng, ng, ng. Use this phrase to practice. The young king was singing in a language that tangled his tongue. The young king was singing in a language that tangled his tongue. As you're practicing this phrase, feel the back of your tongue drop each time you get to the G sound. Also make sure that the tip of your tongue stays behind your bottom front teeth. Ng, 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 ng. Practice this phrase with me. The young king was singing in a language that tangled his tongue. The young king was singing in a language that tangled his tongue. Now that we've established the center of the phoneme target, let's talk about the secondary ring. The secondary ring of this phoneme target will sound like it ends in a k instead of a g. Ng, 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 ng. They're very similar, but the K is non-voiced and the G is voiced. As far as the outer ring of mispronunciation, the one that I hear most commonly is people only saying the part of the phoneme and not dropping the back of their tongue to pronounce the G as well. Ng, ng, ng. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next.